Going on, guys? It's your boy Mini Moto coming back at you from the Voodoo 5. Today we are working on our custom Icebear Maddog. This thing's got a custom paint job, a 171 big bore kit. It's got upgraded clutch and variator, lots of other little goodies. It's been sitting for a while. It's time for it to go to a new home. So we're gonna take you on a little journey of getting it going again. We're gonna pull the carb off, clean it up. We got the battery charging right now. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this carb off and we'll see you on the desk. Alright guys, so we got the carburetor pulled off the bike here, sitting on the bench. But before we get into that, I just want to show off this paint job a little bit. This was our first true custom bike that we built. Like I said, it's a big bore kit. It's got a Mikuni fuel pump, hot coil. It's got a Coffman exhaust on it. Let me show you that. So it's got a Coffman custom exhaust on it, custom paint job. All in all, it's a beautiful bike. I'm gonna sit down, take this carb apart. We're gonna throw this on a time lapse so you don't have to sit here and watch every little thing that I'm doing. But without any further ado, let's get into this carb. Okay, so the carburetor doesn't look too bad. I already pulled the jets out, blew them out. We're going to throw this all back together. We are going to have to drain the tank on the bike because it does smell really bad. I think that's why it won't run. The gas is just no good no more. So we're going to finish putting this carburetor together, throw it on the bike, drain the gas, and we will come back when this thing's just about ready to start. Alright, so our battery is almost fully charged. We got the carburetor back on the bike for the most part. We still have the air filter off, but everything's hooked up except for the fuel line. We drained the gas tank. We're about to put some fresh fuel in there and kind of stick this down in a container, crank it a couple times just to blow the nasty old fuel out of the fuel pump and the fuel filter and the line coming up from the gas tank. We're gonna do that and then we'll see if she wants to start. Alright, so like I said, we put some fresh gas. We're gonna stick this fuel line in here just to finish draining the fuel pump, make sure the fuel pump's working, drain out the line going to the gas tank because there's gonna be bad gas in there. So let's get some gas going and see if she'll crank. Alright, so I know y'all can't see it, but this thing was spraying fuel down in here. I'm going to call that probably good enough. So we're going to let this battery finish doing its thing, hook the fuel line up, and the next thing you should see will be us starting this thing. Alright guys, so we got caught off guard. A customer came in, needed an oil change, so we got that knocked out. Battery's pretty much charged. We got the carburetor back on there, so let's see if this old pig will start. Since it's been so long since this thing has run, I'm going to give it a little bit of help with some starting fluid, just to get that fuel pump going, that sort of thing. Just give it a little bit. Let's see. Come on, you can do it. rev right because we don't have the air filter on there, but she's a running. Well, everyone, she's a running. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a comment down below saying to make more videos like this, because I could definitely make more shop style, you know, working on customers' bikes and that sort of thing. So if you guys liked it, go ahead and smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and come see us for all your two-wheel needs. Voodoo 5 Auto and Scooter Sales, Lafayette, Louisiana. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.